It's the last Sunday of the month, my phone is off, and I'm prancing around the kitchen in my soy sauce and oil-stained cooking shorts, blaring Yo La Tengo out of a tinny Bluetooth speaker tucked away on top of the outdated cabinetry. Although I've made the recipe about 100 times before, I still reference an inkjet printout of an iPhone photo of a decades-old deteriorating newspaper clipping, my mom's scrawling handwritten notes littering the pages. It's a part of the ritual, after all. I'm not Googling around for 20 minutes to find the one hidden trick to roast perfect chicken every time, meticulously weighing my ingredients out on a gram scale, or boiling my potatoes with baking soda, then allowing them to cool, then freezing them, and then finally roasting them for the best results. I'm just tossing them with a little salt, pepper, oil, and rosemary, then chucking those suckers right in the oven. Sure, I could spatchcock the chicken to roast it more quickly, but tonight it's all about slowing down, enjoying cooking, putzing around the apartment, tidying up, and listening to my favorite albums from my college years, reminiscing about the good times had and friendships come and gone since. A few months back, I had a sudden realization that my time spent as a content creator had warped my approach to food. Every meal was either a data collection experiment for an upcoming video, or something to document and share to social media. And while I absolutely love making videos and recipe testing and script writing, I decided to reclaim the joy of cooking for cooking's sake through this monthly ritual of a Sunday evening spent alone, making my mom's roast lemon chicken, the meat dripping with almost as much nostalgia as it does lemony goodness. Hey everyone, Matt here. Just wanted to keep with the tradition like I did with the 250 subscriber video and just kind of go off the cuff here since I tend to script all my stuff super heavily. I just wanted to say thanks for subscribing. 500 subscribers is a pretty big milestone for the channel, and it feels really good to be living in a time where I can, like have a platform. Like 20 years ago, I wouldn't have anywhere to put any of the ideas that I have, and I love sharing them with you and, getting feedback and recipe ideas from you, and some people have showed me their music when I've talked to them about me being into music, and it's just super cool. Like, I just feel so lucky. I love YouTube so much for the outlet. And yeah, I've had this idea for kind of like a more creative style video like this for a while, just to play with shots and kind of grow as I don't want to call myself a filmmaker, but just grow, like get my shots better, and experiment with a few things. So it was super fun for the 500 subscriber thing to roll around and for me to have an excuse to kind of do a video like this. But anyway, I'm kind of rambling at this point, and I'm realizing now that I'm probably backlit and you can't even see my face, but thanks for tuning in and for watching, and as always, with the sign off, later nerds. How do you think that was, bud? Ooh. Got anything to say to the people?